what is Andhra Kumbhaka. Already talked about what is Kumbhaka and types of Kumbhaka in previous video. Please check it. Andhra Kumbhaka, the main meaning is Andhar means inside.
उल्ले जाओ
उल्ले जाओ नहीं अंदर जाओ.
Kumbhaka means retention of the breath. I already told about Kumbhaka having two types, that is Andhra Kumbhaka and Bahir Kumbhaka. In pranayama, we want to relax our body first. That's Puraka and Rechaka. That is inhalation and exhalation. In Andhra Kumbhaka, we want to deep inhale first, that's Puraka, and hold the breath as long as possible. In beginners, that's maybe 8 seconds or 10 seconds. After that, you want to exhale and relax. While relaxing, deep inhalation and exhalation. That's Puraka and Rechaka. I do one round for your better understanding. First, we want to sit any meditative posture like Padmasana, Sukhasana, Vajrasana or Siddhasana. It's your comfort. Make sure that your spine should be straight and flat. You want to relax our mind and body by inhale and exhale first. That's Puraka and Rechaka. Now we do Andhra Kumbhaka. First we want to do deep inhalation and hold our breath inside as long as possible. And exhale deeply and fully. This is one round. After one round, make sure your relaxation. That's Puraka and Rechaka, deep inhalation and exhalation. This will be increase our lung capacity. This is very important in pranayama and yoga for connecting our soul to supreme soul or higher energy in spiritual. We talk about Bahir Kumbhaka in upcoming videos. Thank you.